Welcome to Shruti's online school, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. But now we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the one which in which denominators are not same, which have different denominators. So when the denominators are not same, what we need to do is they have to be made same by taking LCM, and then we have to add or subtract as per the given question. Here in this example number 1, you see 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So the whole is divided into two parts, out of which one is shaded, and here the whole is divided into three parts, out of which one is shaded. So here you see the denominators 2 and 3 are different. So you cannot do it that way. As some kids may think, oh, it is so simple. We just add the numerators and we just add the denominators and just get the answer like this. So this is absolutely wrong, because these two shaded portion you cannot add and get a common answer for that. So what we need to do is we need to take the LCM. And how we have to take the LCM, this we have already done. We'll just revise that. LCM of 2 and 3. So in the table of 2 you get 2, 1s are 2, 3 you don't get, you write 3 as it is. Now 1 is already there, so we have to think about the other number 3. 3 goes in, 3 ones are 3. This one as it is copy and 3 ones are. So ultimately when we multiply these outside numbers 2 and 3, I get the LCM as 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. So now what I need to do is I need to make 1 over 2 with denominator 6 and 1 over 3 also having denominator 6. So 2 multiply by what will give me 6? 2 multiply by 3 will give me 6. So 1 also multiplied by 3 because they both are siblings. Then 3 multiplied by 2 gives me 6. So 1 also multiplied by 2. Now 1 multiplied by 3 gives me 3 over 2 3s is 6 plus 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 3 2s is 6. So now you see the denominator is common, that is 6. Now it has become like fraction, so you can easily add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 over 6. So this is how you solve the fractions which have got different denominators. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 gives ultimately 5 over 6. And 5 and 6 do not go in any common table. You cannot reduce it further. I hope this is clear to everyone. We see one more example where we have 2 over 5 minus 1 over 3. So if we represent it diagrammatically, two parts are shaded out of 5 parts. One part is shaded out of 3 parts. Here again, if you are thinking that you would be doing like this, okay, 2 over 5 minus 1 over 3 will, if you all are thinking of doing this, so kindly don't do this. This is absolutely wrong. Why this is wrong? Because in this fraction, you just cannot subtract these two like this, because here the denominators are totally different. So this is not the proper way of doing it. What we do is these fractions are altogether different with different denominators. So we take the LCM of denominators, we make the denominators same. Once the denominators are same, once they become like fractions, and then we solve it as usual, because this is not the proper way of adding fraction by by subtracting numerator from numerator and denominator from denominator. This is absolutely wrong. Kindly do not do this. Now when we take the LCM of 5 and 3, so what we do is we write here 5 and 3. Now in 2 table neither of the number goes, so we do not write 2 over here, but after 2 the next prime number is 3. So in the table of 3 you do not get 5, you copy 5 as it is, 3 ones are you get 3. After 3, the next number, prime number which comes to your mind is 5. So 5 ones are, you get 5, this one as it is. So the LCM is 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15. So now what you need to do is 2 over 5, you need to make it with denominator 15, and 1 over 3 also you need to make with the denominator 15. So 5 multiplied by 3 gives 15. 2 and 5, they both are siblings, so if 5 is multiplied by 3, 2 also needs to be multiplied by 3. 3 will be multiplied by 5 as to get 15, so 1 also needs to be multiplied by 5 because 1 and 3 they both are siblings. Now 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6, 5 3s are gives 15, minus 1 5s are is 5, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Now you can see the denominators are absolutely same. This is a like fraction just as we did in the previous examples. So 15 as it is and 6 minus 5. Now 6 minus 5 gives you 1 over 15. So ultimately what we get is 2 over 5 minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 15. Let us see some more examples. I hope you all have understood this. Now here there are two more examples where we have 7 over 4 plus 5 over 3. Here you can see the denominators 4 and 3 are different. 2 over 5 minus 3 over 10. Here also you see the denominators 5 and 10 are different. Just pause the video for 2 minutes and solve these both sums. So here 4 and 3, they are different denominators. So what we do is we make the denominators same. So for that we take LCM. Now when we take the smallest prime number 2, in the table of 2 you get 4, 2 2s are 4 and 3 you do not get as it is 3 copied. In the table of 2 again you will get 2 1s are 2, 3 you don't get as it is copy. Then you write 3 because this is already 1 and 3 1s are 3. Once you get both as 1, you just stop doing it. So your LCM is 2 multiply 3. 2 2s is 4, 4 3s is 12. So your LCM is 12. So now what you need to do is 7 upon 4 is your first fraction. You need to make the denominator 12. 5 over 3 is the second fraction. That also you need to make the denominator 12. 4 multiplied by what gives 12? 4 multiplied by 3 gives 12. So 7 also multiplied by 3 because these both are siblings. 3 multiplied by 4 will give 12. So 5 also multiplied by 4 because they both are siblings. Whatever you do with the lower part, same thing has to be done with the upper part also. 7 3s gives 21 upon 4 3s gives you 12 plus 5 4s gives you 20 and again 3 4s gives you 12. Now you can see the denominators 12 are absolutely same. So this is your like fraction. So you just have to add the numerators, that is 21 and 20. 21 plus 20 will give you 41 over 12, and these two numbers are not divisible further by any common factor. So ultimately we get 7 over 4 plus 5 over 3 is equal to 41 over 12. I hope everyone has understood this. Now let's move on to the next example. 2 over 5 minus 3 over 10. Here you see 5 and 10. They are different denominators. So what we need to do is we need to make the denominators same. How do we make the denominators same? Yes, by taking LCM. So when we take LCM, of the numbers 5 and 10. Now when you start with the smallest prime number 2, in the table of 2 you don't get 5, you copy as it is, but 2 table you get 10, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 will never ever go in the table of 2 nor in the table of 3, then the next prime number is 5. 5 1s are and 5 1s are. So what you get is the LCM. The LCM is 2 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 10. So now what you need to do is you need to copy the fractions again. The first fraction is 2 over 5 minus the second fraction is 3 over 10. Now 5 multiplied by what will give you 10? 5 multiplied by 2. So when 5 denominator is multiplied by 2, numerator also should be multiplied by the same number 2. But 10 is already there in this denominator, we don't make any change at all. So 2 multiply 2 gives you 4 over 5 2s are 10 minus 3 over 10. Now here you see the denominators are same 10. So you just subtract the numerators. 4 minus 3 gives you 1 over 10. They both do not go in any other common table. So therefore 2 over 5 minus 3 over 10 is equal to 1 over 10. Okay, students, we'll also see two more examples of addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, just pause the video for 3 minutes and kindly solve these two sums. Okay, here you see the denominators 5 and 3 are not same, they are different. So then what we need to do is we need to take LCM. LCM of the numbers 5 and 3. In the table of 2, neither 5 nor 3 goes, so we take the next number, prime number 3. 3 table you don't get 5, 3 ones gives you 3. Now this 5 will go in 5 ones 5. So the LCM would be 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So now what you need to do is 2 over 5 you write as it is, plus 1 over 3 also you write as it is. 5 multiplied by what gives you 15? Yes, 3's are. So 2 also you multiply by 3 because they both are siblings. 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 15. Similarly, 1 also multiplied by 5. 2 3's are gives 6, 5 3's are gives 15, plus 1 5's are gives 5 and 3 5's are gives 15. Here the denominators 15 is absolutely same. So 6 plus 5. When you add 6 and 5 you get 11 over 15. And 11 and 15 do not go in any common table. Therefore 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3 is equal to 11 over 15. Now we move on to the next example, that is 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8. So here when we are solving 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8, here the denominators 2 and 8 are different. So what we need to do is we have to take LCM to make the denominators same. So let's take the LCM of 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 2 table you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. This is 1, you write as it is, 2 twos are 4. Again, this 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So now LCM, when you multiply 2, 2 and 2, you will get it as 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So now what we need to do is 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8. Now here 2 multiplied by 4 gives you 8, so 1 also you multiply by 4. 8 is as it is. The denominator needs to be 8, which is already 8 over here, so we do not do any change. 1 multiplied by 4 gives 4, 2 fours is 8, minus 3 over 8. So you get denominator same 8 and 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 over 8. We directly subtracted the numerators because the denominators are same. They are like fractions. So therefore, 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8 is equal to 1 over 8. So when the denominators are different, we need to make them same by taking LCM. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.